Hello, today we will guide you through how to automate messages in Slack. In this walkthrough, you'll set up a simple scheduled workflow that sends an automatic direct message to someone in your workspace. Start in the Slack app or the web client and make sure you're in the correct workspace. Look toward the lower left corner of the sidebar and find the Create button with a plus sign. Click it to open creation options, then choose Workflow. This opens Slack's Workflow Builder, where you can automate tasks without code. You'll begin by defining how the workflow starts. Select Create an Event, then pick on a schedule. This trigger lets Slack send messages at specific times, perfect for daily reminders, weekly check-ins, or monthly nudges. Configure the schedule that suits your need, set the frequency, the exact time, and your time zone. If your team spans regions, double-check that time zone so messages arrive when you expect. When your schedule looks right, click Continue. Next, you'll add what the workflow actually does. Choose. Add steps, then select Send a message to a person. In the recipient field, search for and select the colleague who should receive the message. You can change this later if needed. Keep in mind, automated DMs should be useful and not disruptive. Use them for things like stand-up prompts or deadline reminders. Compose the message content in the text area. Write clearly and keep it action-oriented. You can include simple formatting, line breaks, and mentions if appropriate. Consider adding context so the recipient knows why they're getting it and what to do next. When you're happy with the text, click Save to confirm this step. At this point, your workflow has a schedule and an action. Review the summary to ensure the trigger time and recipient are correct. If Slack prompts you to finish or enable the workflow, follow the on-screen confirmation so it's ready to run. For a quick test, set the schedule a few minutes ahead and watch for the message to arrive. If you don't see it, check the time zone, verify the recipient can receive direct messages, and make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking delivery. That's it. You've created a scheduled Slack workflow that automatically sends a direct message. This simple pattern saves time, adds consistency, and keeps your team gently on track.